Hi, this is Christy with Guidepost to Wellness, and I think I finally found the ultimate fitness program for me. Why do I say that? I have a box full of fitness videos. I actually do enjoy exercising. I love Type O, I love the Simply Fit board, all these different things, but my body doesn't love them. And one of the things that I've discovered over the years with fibromyalgia and Hashimoto's and a little bit from the lupus leftover symptoms that I have is that I have a really hard time building up my exercise tolerance. So, as I started looking for a program that I could use and that I could share with my clients as well, I discovered Autoimmune Strong. And what's wonderful about this program is that Andrea truly understands because 6 years ago, I believe it was, she was diagnosed with fibromyalgia and some other things. And as she was trying to find a fitness program, because she, as most of us do, recognize that exercise and stretching and all those things are really important to your health with a chronic disease or an autoimmune disorder. But she couldn't find any trainers or gyms or programs that worked for her. And I completely relate to that. I love the Svelte One and Done training by Meredith Shirk, but I'm just not up to the point yet where I can do it. I've done some reviews out there on my channel if you want to check it out. It's a great program, but I need something that's even more gentle to build myself up, and that's where Autoimmune Strong comes in. So it is a monthly program with a $20 a month fee, and then you get access to all of the exercise. You get access to Andrea questions, FAQs. It's a great program. And what I wanted to do today is show you a little bit about what you will get. So you can see I have the welcome page here, and if we look across the top, you can see she has several different levels. She starts you out with the basic level, advanced, expert, get strong. She talks about cardio. She often does 30-day challenges. She has a workshop with different videos that you can watch and attend, which are great. She has bonus content. She does community calls once a month that members can attend and talk to her. So if you're not a part of a support group or something, here's a great extra community that you can join. And her videos and her personality are just great. And so she starts you out talking you through setting up with the community, accountability buddies, which are really, really great. Talking about setting up with that, you can do it through the community there. Reading important information. She really wants you to get the foundations and understand what you're getting into. What I also love is she has her exercise guide, which really helps explain why exercise is good for you, but why folks with autoimmune diseases struggle with it. And it was kind of like talking to myself as I read this guide. I was like, finally, somebody understands. She also talks about what type of exerciser are you and where are you in your fitness goals. And she's developed 3 different calendars as a guide for you. So that was really nice to be able to customize your type of calendar. She has an exercise journal. She has a food guide. She has these great introductory videos that you watch. And the other thing that's really great about Andrea is she's not like a ready to do a bikini fitness super cut type of fit person. She is an everyday fit person that shows you that you can be fit and this can really help you. So, for example, I chose Calendar B because I'm not the greatest exerciser. I don't have best tolerance, so I wanted to start gentle, but I also can function in everyday life and things. So you can see she builds in different areas, core, rest days, muscles, where she's going into the foam rolling, which I despise foam rolling. It hurts. It really hurts while I'm doing it. So it takes a lot of commitment for me to do it. But watching Andrea, it really has convinced me that it is necessary. And after I do the foam rolling, I do feel better. So I've been doing the foam rolling better with that. But you can see she builds in rest days. She also tells you if you need more rest, that's great. But it progresses through level 1. She adds in different workouts. She starts to double up the exercises so that you're doing more of them and you're building up your tolerance. So it's a great guide that you can really work yourself into. Again, she has this wonderful, beautiful, well done, I mean, just really top-notch quality exercise guide. And then when you go into the different levels, each level has instructional videos where she's going to walk you through what you're going to cover in those different areas in the exercises. And then she has you doing those instructional videos as part of building up your tolerance. But she is fully aware of different modifications that people may need, and she talks about them constantly in her videos, which is great. And then she actually has multiple different stretching routines, and then 2 or 3 different workouts for each level. So just an outstanding package for $20 a month. I mean, you can't join a gym, you can't do any of those types of things for that type of price and get almost a fully customized workout program, a built-in community. The only thing you have to do here really is get the motivation to do it every day. But the exercises start out so gentle, and she works with you and just motivates you, and she just has a great presence about her that really helps you want to do the exercises. Like I said, I've had a foam roller for years, have had people tell me to try it, and I've done it a little bit, and because of my fibromyalgia and everything, it just hurts. And so I wouldn't do it and get the benefit. But again, I watched Andrea's video, and it convinced me that it is really good for me, and after I do it, I grudgingly admit that I feel better. So if anybody can convince you to do something that hurts in that type of way, then she's pretty good at encouraging and coaching and everything like that. So I'm going to put a link down below. Again, I think it's a really great program. You can cancel at any time. If you get yourself built up like I hope to go through her entire program and gently and gradually build up my exercise tolerance so that I can get back into one and done, the Simply Fit board, other types of exercise without wearing myself out and getting myself into a physical type of pain flare, which is just no fun. And so that's why I'm really excited, and I wanted to share this with the folks that are on my channel, and I'm going to share this with my lupus support group folks. So I really think that this is a great program to start. There's very low risk to it, $20 a month. It's just, finding the support that you need and the motivation to do it every day, but that's where getting an exercise buddy can help. So these are, just wanted to share with you some of the great aspects of Autoimmune Strong in her monthly program. Like I said, I'll put a link for it down below. Check it out. She has some free workshops. She has other free videos. You can go on her Facebook and things like that to check it out before you commit. She also has a money back guarantee. So give it a try. I'd love to hear your feedback if you do give it a try, and how you feel about it. Give it a chance, even if it is less strenuous than what you're hoping. Allow your body to slowly build over time. You've got all access to all the different levels of workouts out there. So I'm going to put that down below. If you are interested in checking out my blog, I'm putting together some new blog posts that are talking more specifically about autoimmune diseases and stress. And that's the thing that Andrea talks about here, is the physical stress of exercise. So check those links out below. If you're interested in health coaching, maybe I can help you find time in your schedule to build in time to do the Autoimmune Strong. I do free initial consultations. I can do them remotely over the phone, or if you're in the greater Charlotte area. So I look forward to hearing from you. I'd love to see your comments. If you like this video, please feel free to subscribe and notify for new videos that are going to be coming out, and share these with your friends, people that you know that might need a gentle workout program, because I really think that this is just the one to get people started. So thanks, and be well.